If you often encounter the unexpected or like to be prepared for any situation, then chances are you carry a multi-tool. Multi-tools are designed to fill in when carrying a full toolbox is not practical, and they can definitely get you out of a jam. However, not all multi-tools are created equal, and even among the best, some of the individual tools may not work as well as you'd hope. And with such a huge demand for multi-tools, perhaps it comes off as no surprise that there's literally hundreds of multi-tools available on the market. That's why we put together this list of the best multi-tools on the market. Tough and dependable, we present you the best multi-tools available from the top manufacturers to help you cut, tighten, loosen, open, or twist your way through whatever problems crop up.
This is the Truss by Gerber. With the Truss, we took everything that users loved about the suspension and optimized the tool pack to deliver even more functionality. With 17 tools, you'll be able to handle any challenge that comes your way. This butterfly open multi-tool features spring-loaded pliers. Tools include needle nose pliers, standard coarse pliers, and wire cutters. Bottle opener, can opener, small flathead driver, saw, serrated blade, wire stripper, large flathead driver, fine edge blade, cross driver, scissors, awl, ruler, file, medium flathead driver. Locking outboard tools offer quick access and safe use. The Truss comes in a nylon sheath, available in either dual mount or MOLLE compatible options. From the job site to the campsite, the Truss delivers professional grade tools in a compact frame.
The real Avid pistol tool is for shooters who know the scariest sound in the world is a click when you were expecting a bang. The real Avid pistol tool is the ultimate hardware backup to take down, build up, adjust, and maintain your handgun. Anytime, anywhere. 1911, striker fire, revolver, doesn't matter. The Pistol Tool's 17 tools in one compact package provides everything you need to keep your handgun going bang every time. Especially for the 1911, the real Avid pistol tool incorporates an innovative government and officer model bushing wrench. Field stripping and reassembly is fast and secure. Guaranteed no flying parts. The pistol tool even includes 4 ride-along Bondus Protanium hex keys for precisely adjusting laser sights. The real Avid pistol tool.
This is the Dime. It's a clever mini multi-tool you can attach to a keychain. It contains 10 tools. In addition to butterfly opening stainless steel spring-loaded needle nose pliers, wire cutters, a fine edge blade, spring-loaded scissors, flat driver, tweezers, lanyard ring, and a fine and coarse file. The Dime includes the retail package opener, a blade that safely cuts and scores plastic packaging. The Dime's bottle opener is exposed even when the tool is closed. Store this cool little multi-tool in a pocket, a purse, or keep it on a key ring. This is the Dime.
Always have the tools you need when you carry the Stansport Emergency Camper's Multi-Tool. Individual tools include an axe, hammer, saw, knife, blades, Phillip and flathead screwdrivers, file, pliers, wire cutter, cannon bottle opener, and wrench. This assortment of tools can't be beat and offers peace of mind that you will always be prepared. Whether camping, backpacking, or working in the backyard, the Stansport Emergency Camper's Multi-Tool will get every job done.
This is the Suspension-NXT by Gerber. The Suspension-NXT takes its inspiration from the many bridges of our hometown, Portland, Oregon. It's low profile and has a clip for pocket carry instead of hip carry. Despite its compact size, the Suspension-NXT doesn't compromise on function with 15 tools. Tools include needle nose pliers, standard coarse tooth pliers, and wire cutters. Scissors, medium flathead driver, ruler, file. Wire stripper, large flathead driver. Awl. Bottle opener, can opener, small flathead driver. Cross driver. Partially serrated blade. It's a familiar butterfly open design with spring-loaded pliers. Locking outboard tools offer safe, convenient operation. To complement the pocket clip, it also features an integrated lanyard hold. The Suspension-NXT is designed for the EDC user who requires a fully featured multi-tool that's pocketable for the commute.